The JL Audio W7 is legendary in the car audio world, often seen as the gold standard for subwoofer performance. But despite its reputation, it's not the perfect fit for every system or every buyer. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 clear reasons why the W7 might not be the right choice for you. First, it's extremely power-hungry. The W7 is built to handle massive amounts of clean RMS power, often between 750 to 1500 watts, depending on the model. Without a high-end amplifier and a fully upgraded electrical system, you'll never unlock its true potential. Casual users or stock setups simply can't drive it properly. Second, it's incredibly expensive. JL Audio's W7 series commands a serious premium, not just for the subwoofer itself, but for everything needed to run it: amps, wiring, alternators, and custom enclosures. Unless you're fully committed to a high-budget build, the total system cost can easily spiral out of control. Third, it demands a custom enclosure. The W7 is highly sensitive to box size, volume, and tuning. Using an off-the-shelf prefab box won't work if you want to maximize performance. For most buyers, that means paying extra for a professionally designed and built enclosure, adding cost and complexity to the setup. Fourth, it's physically massive and heavy. With a deep mounting depth, oversized motor structure, and heavy basket, the W7 is difficult to fit into smaller vehicles without major modifications. In compact builds or stealth setups, installation becomes a real challenge. Fifth, it's overkill for many listeners. If you're mainly looking for strong, enjoyable daily driving bass, the W7 may be far more than you need. Its output capabilities are impressive, but if you're not competing in sound-offs or chasing extreme SBL levels, there are far more cost-effective options that will deliver plenty of performance without the extra demands. In conclusion, while the JL Audio W7 delivers incredible performance for serious audio enthusiasts, it comes with significant demands in power, installation, budget, and commitment. It's an elite subwoofer, but it's not the best choice for every system or every driver. For more professional car audio reviews and honest system advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.